Alright, so here we have a 2022 Hyundai Kona, about 51,753, doing a cabin air filter. Let's see what we can get ourselves into. Looks like somebody serviced this before. They left the nice little thing off here. Alright, so take this this little screw off here. You see they're kind of. Alright, and there's one over here as well. They are kind of offset, just weird. You twist them towards you and they come out. Alright, this slides down and ta-da! We have a nice little opening in the space for our filter to go. Looks like this one's coming out. Ooh, yeah, it's pretty disgusting. Especially if you compare that to this nice, pretty new one I'm about to put in there. I think it needed it. I mean, I could be wrong, but you know, it happens sometimes. So yeah, and it's just a backwards process from there, you know. Make sure it's the one thing you want to make sure you do. The most important thing. See that arrow is pointing down. This arrow, when it came out, was also pointing down. You have to make sure that those are the same, otherwise there'll be issues. Alright, now it's just putting on this little here cover back on. Maybe. Can see it. Sorry for first time trying to. There we go. Make a video of this here. And edit this way. There we go. And it snaps right back in. Just like that. Now, there should be a little clip for this guy. It usually is in here. It looks like somebody broke it off. That wasn't very nice. Alright, so now it's just backwards. It doesn't matter which one you put in first, but make sure you line it up in the hole. Snap. Line this one up in the hole. Alright. Yeah, a little snappy snap there. And we're all done. Nice. Perfect. Put them in the box.